Hey guys, I'm Andrea from mummygearist.com, and over the last year I've done a total body overhaul. So I really started focusing on nutrition paired with exercise, and in about a year's time I've lost 35 pounds. So one of the things that I've done is really committed to Orange Theory Fitness. You can read all about my journey on mummygearist.com on that front. And then the other side of things was trying to make the nutrition piece easy because I live a very, very busy life. I'm on the road traveling a lot. I've got kids and a husband and lots of responsibilities. So I needed something that was going to be super easy to implement and stick to. And one of the things that I figured out that works really well for me and my body is a daily protein shake. So I replace usually breakfast with an Arbonne protein shake. I'm going to show you what I put into mine almost every day because it's what's worked so well to keep me really full in the morning, give me lots of nutrition, and introduce greens first thing in the morning, which is great for your body. So what I put in is a whole bunch of stuff. It's not all Arbonne. I'm not that girl. I like to mix and match things that have worked well for me from all different kinds of brands. So I do use the protein shake in the chocolate exclusively. It's my favorite flavor. But I also mix one of those scoops with the daily protein boost. So this one is totally sugar-free. And so I do 1 and 1. So I just do 1 scoop of the protein powder and 1 scoop of the daily protein boost. And then I also use the Giddy Yo-Yo raw cacao powder, and I use about a tablespoon of that. And then this is where all the fun stuff comes in. So believe it or not, I use a whole bunch of spinach and an entire raw zucchini. So the nice thing about both spinach and zucchini is that you cannot taste them once they're all blended in. You do need a really great blender. So if you have a Vitamix, that is what I use, and it makes sure that everything gets really pulverized and pureed. So they're in little chunks or little gritty bits that you're drinking first thing in the morning. So a couple of massive handfuls of spinach, an entire raw zucchini. Don't cook any of these, okay? Raw is better. And then I like to use any kind of non-dairy milk works. You can use water if you want as well, but the idea is that you want to add in a really healthy fat to make this a complete meal. Your body does need fat to ultimately burn fat. So I'm using cashew milk today, but you can use almond milk. You can use brown rice milk. Sprouted is even better. And then a bunch of ice cubes. That's going to go in. You're going to use just a little more than a cup of the non-dairy milk. Blend this up, drink it down. It's super tasty. If you want to add a little bit of cinnamon or some almond butter, that adds to the flavor. It can really mix it up. And that's how I start every morning.